Hello, and welcome to English Corner. Before we begin, I'd like to mention that this lesson is based on a resource from the BBC Learning English website. The website does not belong to me. I'm simply presenting it because I think it's an excellent resource for English learners. If you enjoy this lesson, I encourage you to visit the website and explore their materials. Today's lesson is about two words that many English learners confuse: sensible and sensitive. At first glance, these words look very similar, but they have completely different meanings. By the end of this lesson, you'll know when to use each one correctly. The website also includes a short video that explains the difference. I'm going to play the video now, and then we'll go through the key points together.
Sensible and sensitive are often confused, but they are quite different. Sensible means that you have good judgment or are very practical. Sometimes the most sensible thing is to ignore what people say and look at the facts. Sensitive is related to feelings. If you are sensitive, it can mean that you think about how other people feel. Be sensitive to people's feelings and they might agree with you. It can also mean that your feelings are very easily upset. Don't be too sensitive about your idea being rejected. So being sensitive is all about feelings and kindness. Being sensible is about being practical and wise. Do you think it's sensible to be sensitive to other people? Are some people too sensitive to make sensible decisions? Tell us what you think.
Let's look at what we've learned. First, both sensible and sensitive are adjectives. They can be used before a noun or after linking verbs, such as be, feel, appear, seem, look, sound, smell, taste, become, and get. Here are two examples. She's very sensible, so you can rely on her. He's become more sensitive as he's got older. Now let's look at each word separately. Sensible means having good judgment or being practical. A sensible person makes good decisions and thinks carefully before acting. For example, the most sensible thing is to ignore what people say and look at the facts. In this sentence, sensible means making the most practical or reasonable decision. Now let's look at sensitive. This word is connected with feelings. It can describe someone who is considerate of other people's feelings. It can also describe someone whose own feelings are easily hurt. Here are two examples. Be sensitive to people's feelings, and they might agree with you. In this example, sensitive means thinking about how other people feel. Now look at this sentence. Don't be too sensitive about your idea being rejected. Here, sensitive means becoming upset or hurt easily. So let's review the difference. Sensible means having good judgment and being practical. Sensitive is related to feelings. It can mean understanding other people's emotions or having feelings that are easily hurt. Now it's your turn to check your understanding. The website includes a short quiz to help you practice the difference between sensible and sensitive. Pause the video if you need more time, choose your answers, and then check how well you did. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English Corner, and I'll see you in the next lesson.